All right, y'all. It's your man Pat Season. I'm coming back live. This is a 2015? 16. 2016. I ain't gonna put y'all in here. I'm gonna try not to. Unless you want to go on YouTube. You be YouTube famous. We got 2015 Chevrolet Cruze, and it is making this noise. This is the Ecotech. What's it? 1.5, 1.6, something like that. 1.4. Jesus Christ, that is super small.
Promise you you'll catch me. Promise you you'll catch me.
But it's boosted. Oh snap! You know I love me some boost. So let me let y'all hear this, and you tell me. Patty, the keys in here?
Maybe. Check on the door. If the blue ones aren't in there.
No.
The brown ones should be in there.
I did give you back the blue ones though, right?
No, yeah, you did. I probably
Okay,
just
okay.
took them inside.
All right, y'all. I have no idea. I've checked injectors. I think they've already done replaced, and it's going away. That's crazy. Well, it was there. It stopped doing it. It stopped. Okay, so the air makes it happen. Let's turn on the air. Okay, here we go. All right, no copywriting stuff for you. Yep, there it is. Yep. Now you would think this is a belt because it sounds like a belt. It's not. It's coming nowhere near there. It's like cylinder number 2 or cylinder number 1. But I cannot figure out for the life of me what the heck it is. Help me, y'all. Help me. I'm really lost for words. It's got like 60,000 miles on it. Original. Oil's good. Runs fine. But makes that noise. Start the purge valve for a second. Huh. Yeah, maybe it is the purge valve. I think I might have figured it out. Hold on, hold on. We're gonna put this camera. I know my GoPro means a lot to me. Still coming from over. I know it's coming from over here. Maybe even cylinder number 3. Never mind. I don't know. It's like the actual damn. Alright, I'm gonna lean closer towards this coil pack for some reason. I think I may have one somewhere too. I think that's what it is. Y'all got some type of suggestion, holler at me. And in the event that I come up with a solution, I will let you guys know, just in case you also have one of these as well. Until next time, mi gente, I'm gonna be waiting. Put them comments down below. Be pro mundo beneficio.